Ladies and gentlemen, my name is KM67 and welcome to my YouTube channel Born for Entrepreneurs. If you love aquariums, the colorful fish darting from side to side, gently waving water plants, then an aquarium maintenance service is the business for you. The startup cost for starting an aquarium maintenance service is $5,000 to $12,000 and this business can be operated from home. Again, this business can be operated as part-time or side business, but there are no franchises available for this business and it is not an online business. If you are a fish person, this is delightful business, but if you not a true hobbyist, you won't be happy. The aquarium maintenance business requires expertise. Before you start visiting clients, make sure you have proper registrations, insurance and supplies. Some of the benefits of starting an aquarium maintenance business include: number 1, relatively low startup cost. Number 2, no storefront is needed. 3, you can turn your love of fish into a business. Number 4, you can work as much or as little as you want. Number 5, you can expand your business into other areas. Number 6, there is a wide range of potential clients. Number 7, extra income can be earned by selling the supplies necessary to maintain healthy aquarium. Some of the potential challenges of an aquarium maintenance business include: number 1, there is the potential for the significant liability since you will handling expensive fish and large amounts of waters in homes and office. Number 2, marketing will be additional cost. Number 3, you need to have a plan for handling emergencies your clients may have. Number 4, extensive knowledge of aquariums like water life, care and maintenance, diseases and so on is a must. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry for my poor accent. I will be glad if you like the video and give me some idea on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.